name is Enji. I am a student at the English course. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys about how I pack my suitcase. When I go on trips, I like to make sure that I pack as much as I can, yet still trying to be as minimal as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you about what I bring, and hopefully you enjoy this video and find it very helpful and trying to organize your suitcase when you guys also go traveling. So without further ado, let's get started!
Here's my suitcase and it's color purple. So the first thing I like to add are my clothes, and what I like to do is put them into travel bag like this, because this way keeps everything really organized and neat and also conserves a lot of space. When you're packing your clothes, make sure that you check the weather, so you dress appropriately, and also make sure that you pack enough for the amount of time you're going to be staying at your destination. And I try to pack as much outfits as I can for both the day and night. So that's all for this one side, and I'm just going to secure it with a lock and do the next one. So here is my pouch, and for this one I'm just gonna be adding all of my makeup in that I'm going to bring for travel, and my sunscreen and everything like that. It keeps things organized and I pack it all in just like that. And here is my pouch for toiletries, and this is really good pouch because it keeps everything really organized and clean. And for this trip, I'm gonna be bringing my laptop, and I have this bag where I'm gonna be adding my charger. And for this sling bag, I'm gonna be adding my wallet, my soft one case, tissue, perfume mask, and lip tint.
So that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching my video. I had a lot of fun creating this video for you guys and sharing what I'm going to be taking with me when I go traveling. I really hope this video will help you guys and find ideas on how to organize your suitcase or your luggage. So the last I say, bye bye!